Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a young girl named Lily. She had a special gift, a green thumb, and a dream to cultivate the most beautiful garden in the land. One day, she decided to plant a seed, a tiny, delicate acorn from the oldest oak tree in the forest. The villagers laughed and told her it was impossible. An acorn will never grow into a big, strong oak tree, they said. But Lily, with determination in her eyes, decided to prove them wrong. She watered the acorn every day, nurturing it with care and love. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months, but the acorn seemed to be stuck in its small shell. Lily was disappointed, but she did not lose hope. One day, a wise old woman from the village visited her. She saw the tiny acorn and told Lily, "Patience, my dear, is the key to growth. All living things take time to flourish." Lily listened, and with renewed resolve, she continued to care for her acorn. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months again. Finally, a tiny sprout emerged from the acorn. Lily cheered with joy, and her heart swelled with pride. The sprout grew bigger, stronger, and greener each day. As the seasons changed, so did the garden. The once tiny acorn had grown into a majestic oak tree, taller than any other in the village. The villagers marveled at Lily's perseverance and the beauty of her garden. The story of Lily and her acorn became a legend in the village, a tale of patience, determination, and the magic of growth. It taught everyone that with patience and care, even the smallest of seeds can grow into the most beautiful of trees. From that day forward, Lily inspired everyone in the village to plant their own seeds, to grow their own gardens, and to never give up on their dreams. And every time they looked at the tall, proud oak tree, they were reminded of the power of patience, determination, and a little bit of magic.